Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, hi, my name is Navya Jain and I'll be really very happy if you take a moment and subscribe, like and share to my channel below. Today we are doing the challenge known as eating in alphabetical order. So in that what is there is like I have the letters obviously, and I will see whatever I have in my house. So usse I will eat from that letter. So now I just thought of it. A for we have apple, almonds and avocado. So I thought of eating almonds because avocado and apples everyone eat. So yeah, we'll eat almonds right now for the letter A. So A check. So I have the almonds right here. So I will eat one or two. Almond guys, almond. So A done. Now we're going to letter B. So for B also I have two options, that is biscuits and banana, but my mom said bananas are over, so we'll go on to biscuit. So biscuit is B, so I can take any kind of biscuit right now. So now for B we have biscuit. I have Monaco biscuits. This is one of my favorite biscuits. So we are going to take one piece. So C, B done. Now C, I have two options, coffee and curd. I think I'll go with curd because coffee already had. So curd time. So I just now came to know that we don't have curd at home. Curd got over. So I am going to go with cocoa powder. So like a tiny bit of cocoa powder in a spoon. I'm going to have it, so that'll be counted. So I think cocoa powder. We will have cocoa powder instead of curd, okay? So guys, I have cocoa powder right here and I have a spoon. So I think I'm going to cheer-fado this thoda because it's very small only. So kadwa. So guys, I'm not gonna have a lot. I'm just going to have itna. It's too much, huh? Ew. So cocoa powder was totally dirty. I didn't like it at all. I don't know how it tastes so yummy in the cakes and all, but it was very bad if you tasted blank. Ugh. So now we have D, the letter D. We have one option for that. That is dairy milk. So dairy milk is here. I have it ready. I was eating it right now. So dairy milk. This is the Oreo silk. Actually, patthar. I'm eating patthar. Want to eat? Doesn't break. Okay, I'm just going to take a bite. So D done, dairy milk. D done. Now it is time for E, letter E. So for E, right now I went and checked in my kitchen. I had Everest masala only from E. My mom was like, "Huh, it's okay, you can eat na. Everest masala is also eatable only na." I said, "Mom, yeah, it's okay. You're doing challenge now. To take it as a challenge and do it." I said, "I don't mind eating Everest masala, but then anything happens to my stomach na, you're gonna be right." She's like, "Okay, my responsibility. You eat, nothing will happen. You eat in food anyway." I said, "Okay, I don't mind." So Everest masala. So guys, I'm smart. Instead of taking any of that chole masala and any garam masala, I found Everest chaat masala. So I got chaat masala, Everest ka Everest chaat masala. The name suggests. So I don't mind taking how much ever. Myself, I'll take itna only. Can you guys see? So Um, so E was Everest masala, done. Now the letter is F. F was a big headache. I couldn't find anything. फिर जाके I was like searching in my chocolate का cupboard, like what will be there from F. I found 5-star and Fox. So I found Fox. I wanted a mint flavor right now in my mind because a lot Cadbury happened and all this chaat masala and all is not my cup of tea. So I think I'm gonna have Fox. So yeah. So I have अभी Fox का डब्बा. उसमें Fox के डब्बे में से I'm gonna remove one Fox. I'm gonna eat it. Fox. And Fox. You can't see Fox. Can you read? Yeah, Fox. So Fox eating time. Big jhanjat this is to open this wrapper. Doesn't open. So this is the Fox lemon flavor what I ate just now. F done. So F done. Now G. G say I have got. I took a lot of time. Only thing was coming in my mind was garlic. I can't eat garlic, but then my mom told we have garlic Szechuan sauce at home, so you can have that instead of eating and garlic. Oh, garlic. So it smells too strong. I'm gonna take it on my spoon. Ouch. Again. Oh, no coming. My mom gave me an idea. You can eat it on that Monaco biscuit what you have. So I think I'm going to do that only. My biscuit is right here only abhi tak. So I will take one biscuit. Uske upar there is garlic chutney, garlic Szechuan sauce, whatever. So it is this. So guys, now it's H. So I thought abhi itna sara khaya hai, why not have something to drink? Such a nice thing I thought of. So I thought of having hot water. H guys, H. Hot water. So I think I'm gonna go have some hot water. So guys, now hot water. I'm putting it inside the oven. For now it's done. I'm removing it. My hot water is ready. So now hot water time. Hot water. It's actually hot. Very. So hot water done. I. So now it's letter I, my favorite. I was been waiting for this. It's my mama doesn't allow me to have this, but it is ice. So I've got ice. It's good. So my task is I have to keep it in my mouth for 30 seconds or else it's not counted. So I can't. So done. Ice also done. Hope. I is done. Kind of. I is done. So now for J, I have got, for J I've got jaggery. So for J now I'm eating jaggery. I don't like jaggery, seriously saying, I'm just having it now. I hate jaggery. Bus. I hate. J done. Now K. K is only one thing that's coming in my mind, that's ketchup. I think ketchup. Then I've got ketchup. Can you see? Ketchup. Only ketchup. So I think I'm gonna have this much thoda only. I hate. Hate nahi, matlab eat shit. Having ketchup. Sabhi nikal gaya. I'm having ketchup. It gives that sour taste. ऐसा फटक से ना. Something happens over here. है ना? So K done. So now the next letter is L. So I'm going to go for lemon. So I'll have half lemon and I'll squeeze it, or thoda sa 2-3 drops of lemon. So now I have got this small quarter piece of lemon because I can't have lemon. I've got allergy, skin allergy. So if I have more lemon or anything sour, so I can't. Having this much, that too one squeeze in my mouth, just. Can't finish this much, to be fair. Sorry. So this is done. पूरा lemon खा लिया अभी इससे. I can't have more. It's yummy. So now after lemon, we have the letter M. M for my sister's Mehak. I'll get her and eat her. No. So we have something for M. So now for the letter M. M is my favorite because this summer month have been eating this entire thing. You all must have guessed already. It is mango. We have our chopped mangoes. My favorite fruit. Seasonal fruit you can say. My favorite. And lychee. So from the letter N, I thought a lot. Couldn't find anything. Came to the conclusion to have nuts. Nuts me, I'm not going to have almond because it doesn't count because I've already had it. So I'm going to eat cashew nut and cashew nut, raisin, walnut. These three. So I got both. I've got cashew nut and I've got raisins. So how am I going to open? So I've got raisins right here. 3 only. One or two? Two. So I couldn't find walnut मेरे घर पे पूरे. So I had and Mama also don't know where. Mama also doesn't know. So nuts. Peace. Now the letter O. So we got orange tang for orange tang, not lemon tang. I've got orange tang, which you must have seen in my last video, that saying yes to my sister wala. So we're gonna have orange tang for O. So for orange tang O, I got my orange tang. Done. So O orange tang done. Now the letter O, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. O, O, O. O done? Now P. So now for P, I thought of peanuts. Peanuts or so I was finding some peanuts na. So mama's like, I made patty. I said no, I don't want to have patty because it was cheese patty. So I'm not cheating, guys. It's cheese patties because it's C. So I'm having peanuts. Khatam ho gaye. Almost. I like peanuts. Nice go to time pass. P also done. So R, luckily there was nothing instead of rice coming into my head. My mom, she was making patty ke sath rice ball. So she made rice ball for me. She made one rice ball for me. I told her to make, so she made one rice ball for me. I didn't like, she was making rice. I was like, why not make rice ball? So she made a rice ball for me. She fried it and I can have it. She put cheese also. Are done. It was very spicy. So now the next letter, as it's S, I thought why not have sugar? If you're feeling itna spicy only, so sugar. How to have sugar, yeah? I can have this. It's my favorite. Sugar, life. Okay, S done. Now T. You know, right now my stomach is so full. I can't eat anything now. But there are so many letters here. T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. है नहीं इतने, but I'm very full. Done. Now for T, I'm going to eat tomato, but ऐसे नहीं. I'll chop, cut and get. So guys, I've got tomato. I just told her I want to just put. I can't because I just told her to put half tomato का थोड़ा भी कम. So I'll eat one slice यार guys. थोड़ा दया करो मुझ पे यार. आप put salt ऊपर. लगा ना कोरा. So now for V, I have got. I was thinking of vanilla ice cream, but unfortunately वो कल ही खत्म हो गया. तो I had vanilla essence. What? Vanilla essence. So I'm taking it in a small spoon. I couldn't find any. Smallest spoon on the earth. So I'm going to put this on this. I'm removing it because. You know, I'm having all this plain for the first time. Cocoa powder, vanilla essence, like it's going to happen a cake inside my body. Oh! Sorry, it's bakwas. I thought it'll be like thoda vanilla taste ka something. I've never had this for any time pehle. Yuck. So guys, that was it for the video. I'm so sorry I couldn't find the other 3-4 letters. And beach mein also I've left one. I think yeah, only one I've left because I couldn't find anything, and it's hard to find items from all letters at home. Like from Z, W, X, I couldn't find anything. Y also I found yogurt, but it was like it was not good kind of. So I just chucked it. So bus, that was it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.